Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's March 29th, 2019. I'm over by Pond 3. That's Pond 3 behind me over here. And yes, it's still frozen. And we're going to have some rain today, but yesterday we got up to close to 50 degrees Fahrenheit, which was a really nice welcome change. And I was able to get a couple things done, and one of which was I was able to potentially rescue a Fraser fir tree. So that's the tree right behind me here. The Fraser fir had gone down in a high windstorm mid-winter, and the root ball, the dirt had basically worked right off of half of the root ball that was exposed, and I don't know that it's going to survive. It had fallen. It was located in the area where the thornless blackberries are, the chesters and triple crowns, and had fallen across one of the trellises. And so what I did yesterday was I went ahead and got Bumblebee, went up into the plot where the thornless blackberries are, grabbed a hold, dug a little bit around the base of the Fraser fir, and then went to the other side of the area where it had fallen down, hooked onto it with Bumblebee, used a small cargo strap to attach the trunk of the tree, since there's really hardly any soil left on the root ball, and I attached the strap to the stick where it attaches to the boom on the mini excavator Bumblebee. And it was able to bring it down here. I positioned it right next to several different small maple trees and some small bushes as well that will leaf out. And they're to the west of the tree. So with any good fortune, the tree is still viable, and those small little trees to the west of it will help to break up and diffuse some of the forces of the high winds that we get here. I also, when I placed the tree, I tilted it slightly to the west, so it's leaning into the high winds. And I took some paracord and wrapped it, put it through some 1-inch pipe insulation and wrapped it around the trunk as well, just to give it a bit of time for a year to see if it's going to survive and all. There was some damage to the cambium, to the bark on the tree, exposing the cambium in several locations. But if the root mass is still viable, that should not affect it. It should heal up just fine. But the combination of some of the bark injury and it being down for 2 months in a really harsh winter settings here, that might be part of it. So what's going to show now are some GoPro footage of me using Bumblebee to go and get the tree, bring it down here, set it here, and I think you'll be able to see the angle that it's on as well. So that's about it. If you found this video of value, please give us a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and by all means, folks, stay comfortable, stay safe. Bye-bye now.